My name is Harshvardhan Chaturvedi and I am a legal intern at Lexis & Company. So today we are going to talk about Canara Nidhi Limited versus M. Shashikala. In the application under Section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 seeking to set aside the award, whether the parties can adduce evidence to prove the specified grounds in subsection 2 to Section 34 of the Act is the signature not verified question. Falling for consideration in these appeals digitally signed by Mahabir Singh. These appeals arise out of the judgment dated 12 passed by the High Court of the Karnataka at Bangalore in writ petition in and by which the High Court set aside the order passed by the district judge and directed the district judge to recast the issues and permit respondents number 1 and 2 to file affidavits of the witness and also permitting cross-examination of the witness. Brief facts which led to the filing of these appeals are as under. The appellant is the financial institution and the appellant advanced of loan rupees 50 lakh to respondent number 1 and respondent number 2. 4 and 5 to 8 were the guarantees in the respect date of such loan. The loan was secured by a mortgage with deposit of title deeds and respondent number 1 is also said to be executed a demand promissory note for repayment of the loan. There was also an arbitration clause in the agreement to resolve the dispute between the parties. It is alleged that the first respondent did not repay the loan and failed to discharge the liabilities arising out of the transaction. The dispute between the appellant and the first respondent was referred to arbitration to the third respondent arbitrator. Before the arbitrator, both the parties adduced oral and documentary evidence. The arbitrator passed on award dated 15/12/2007 and directed the respondents to pay an amount of 63,82,802 with interest on rupees 50 lakh at 14% per annum from 11/8/2000 and cost 52,959. Assailing the award, respondent number 1 filed as number 1 of 2000 under section 34 of the Act in the Court of District of Mangalore before the district. Respondent number 1 and 2 filed an application under section 151 of the CPC to permit the respondents to adduce evidence. The appellant filed objections to said the applications by the order. The learned district judge dismissed the said application, holding that the grounds urged in the application can very well be met by the records of the arbitration proceedings and by pursuing the arbitral award. The learned district judge further held that in any event there is no necessity of adducing fresh evidence in the application filed under section 34 of the Act. Aggrieved by the dismissal of their application under section 151 CPC, respondent number 1 and 2 filed writ petitions before the High Court under article 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India. The High Court by the impugned judgment allowed the writ petitions and directed the learned district judge to recast the issues and allow respondent number 1 and 2 to file affidavit of their witness and further allow cross-examination of the witness. Thank you.